In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image in Notion. If you're working on a Notion page and your image looks too large or too small, the good news is that resizing it is very quick and simple. You don't need any special settings or extra tools. Everything can be done directly on the page in just a few clicks and a drag. To begin, go to your Notion page where the image is already placed. Open the page and locate the image you want to adjust. It helps to make sure you're in the right section of the page before you start, especially if your page has a lot of content. Once you can clearly see the image, you're ready for the next part. Now, click on the image specifically near one of its corners. When you select the image, Notion gives you resize handles that let you change its dimensions. Clicking on a corner is important here, because that's where you'll be able to resize the image more naturally and accurately. If nothing seems to happen right away, just make sure the image is actually selected and not another block on the page. After that, drag the corner to resize the image. If you drag outward, the image becomes larger. If you drag inward, the image becomes smaller. Move slowly so you can control the size and stop when it looks right for your layout. This is useful if you want the image to fit better beside text, take up less space, or stand out more on the page. As you resize, keep an eye on how the image looks within the rest of your content. A good size should feel balanced with the text and other elements around it. If the image becomes too large, it can dominate the page. If it becomes too small, it may be harder to see important details. So take a second to adjust it until it feels visually comfortable, and that's all there is to it. Go to your Notion page, click on the image at a corner, and drag to resize it. It's a very straightforward feature, but it can make a big difference in how clean and organized your page looks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.